Hey, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope everybody's having a great day. I am feeling wonderful. Before we get started in this video, and this won't be a very long video, but before we get started in this video, I just want to tell you a quick story. I actually do like telling stories. Hopefully they're not too corny or too long. But anyway, I was having, like I mentioned in one of my prior videos that I have a very old laptop. I had it since 2009. So of course it's going to have problems. And for about the last 2 years, the cooling fan needed to be clean. And I'm not sure who knows about the cooling fan on your laptop, but if it's not clean, if it's very dust filled, it can have a lot of problems, like your laptop overheating, which it did. It was like hotter than flaming Cheetos. At some points I couldn't even put it on my lap because it was so hot. But the most annoying part was, since the cooling fan did need to be clean, was the noise. Oh, the noise. The noise was annoying. And I was just like, you know what, I gotta fix this. I started to, think paying somebody because I know you can open it and clean out the dust, but I didn't want to mess up anything or anything like that. So I was actually thinking about going ahead and paying somebody to do it. But I just searched YouTube and thank God I did, because I found a very, very cost effective easy way to do it. I just typed in the search bar, how to clean your cooling fan, and this video had popped up, how to clean your cooling fan without opening it, and that really intrigued me because I didn't have to do any work, as far as manual techie work like that. So pretty much, what the video talks about is going out to get some compressed air from Walmart. So I went out, I paid about $4 or $5 for it, and it takes like 2 minutes to do it. And I didn't really think it worked because I really didn't see anything or nothing like that. But I turned on my laptop and it worked. I was like, yes, it worked. Like, especially that sound. I mean, the laptop was very cool, very room temperature. The cooling fan was working. But the best thing was that noise. That noise. Man, that noise, that z noise that it was making, was really annoying as I was trying to watch, my streaming services and my movies. I wouldn't hear things. So that was the best part. That was the best part. That is the fact that, for the past, day and a half, my laptop has been quiet. So I am very happy I was able to find that very cost effective, non-time consuming method. If anybody wants to link to the method, if you're having a problem with your cooling fan, I'll just go ahead and link it in the comments, and I will link that video. Very easy, cheap fix. But anyway, okay, so on to the video. This is going to be a very long video. Something I had wanted to mention in the last video, but I had forgotten. Instead of sorry, editing it. I'm not even sure if I even got the word right. Instead of fixing it, I just decided to go ahead and make another video. But what I wanted to talk about was the photo requirements when you're making a listing. Sometimes eBay can reject them. So an easy fix for that, and I will link this website in the description. It's called photoenlarger.com. Swing on over here. Very simple. You want to go ahead and upload a picture. I just did it for time purposes. I just went ahead and uploaded a picture. This is a picture of a toy that I had gotten one of my nieces a long time ago. Not even really sure why I even still have it, but it's there. So you want to click browse, upload that, or you can drag and drop the picture. Now I believe eBay requires a 500 by 500 pixel. I believe so. So what you want to do is go ahead, put that, or you can use this right here if you want to, this right here, to make it bigger or smaller, but I just find it easier just to go ahead and type it in here. So it needs to be at least 500 by 500. That's the minimum. Okay, so you want to make it like that, and you just want to press this blue button that says enlarge. There you go. You got your eBay approved size picture. Now, I don't know why they give you 4. I really don't know why, but you can go ahead and download any of these and use them for, all 12 of your pictures, or all up to 12 of your pictures, and you shouldn't have any problems. I've been using this website for a long time. It has been a lifesaver because when they reject your photos, sometimes it's annoying. It really is. So I just wanted to share that information with you guys. Like I said, I meant to add that into my eBay ranking video, but I have forgot. So hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe if you're enjoying the content. I hope everybody's having a great day, and y'all take care of yourself. Stay safe out there. All right, bye.